Meteorologist Joe Hansel here. So let's start our Tuesday predicting severe weather threats in the tropics from pond to pond, ocean to ocean, the Pacific to the Atlantic. First, in the Pacific Ocean, you're looking at the radar this morning of Tropical Storm D for Douglas. Some maximum sustained winds around 60 miles per hour. And there's the forecast track of it. Still mainly a fish storm with a general tropical depression trying to be like, hey, notice me too. But it's working west. There's Hawaii. For reference, far to the west. Obviously, the forecast does not include Hawaii, but forecasting it to be a potential Category 1 hurricane, maybe as soon as very early tomorrow morning. Now, for the other pond, the Atlantic, got some activity here as well. We got chances of either tropical depression or tropical storm development within the next 5 days, with a tropical wave in the central Atlantic and one in Cuba, or over Cuba, that's expected to dive in towards the Gulf of Mexico. So we are keeping eyes on that very closely. All right, half of time here already for the tropics. Let's talk about everybody else from coast to coast. Got some heat advisories and excessive heat warnings again today. Highs 90s, low 100s for many locations. And also watching for plenty of thunderstorms producing potentially some heavy rain. 1 to 2 inches plus in areas of Minnesota, Wisconsin, America's heartland, which we always take some rain. We could use rain out by Las Vegas. All of Nevada and surrounding areas, red flag warning today. Multiple wildfires out there. Watching for isolated, even scattered dry thunderstorms out there today, producing lightning and not the rain, hence the word dry for those thunderstorms. We got marginal slight risks of severe weather out for many locations as well. Large hail damaging winds near Denver to Cheyenne are possible. And from Minneapolis towards Washington, D.C. will be possibilities of large hail and damaging winds with some thunderstorms, potentially even a spin-up of a tornado in areas of northern Minnesota, western Wisconsin today, so be mindful of that. More heat and storms tomorrow.